In this song we have an open chord C and we're changing to a bar chord F without moving your third finger. Comes up in millions of songs, this chord change. You had it in the last lesson to prepare you for this. You know by now when we vamp a bar chord, we get a complete vamped sound. Whereas when we vamp an open chord, some of the strings can be left ringing. In order to vamp an open chord completely, as well as releasing the pressure, we also need a downward move of the hand. If I back off from camera, you will see that my hand actually comes down a bit. And that way we can now vamp open chords as well as bar chords. I'm going to do the rhythm for the song very, very slowly. Starting with C. Changing to F. Here it is done at normal speed.